In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Ionos. Whether you're looking to improve your security or simply can't remember your old password, you're in the right place. It's easier than you might think, so let's dive right in. First, navigate to the Ionos website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In option. It's usually located at the top right corner of the page. After clicking Sign In, select Customer Account. This is your gateway to managing your personal account details, including your password. Next, click the Sign In button again. This ensures you're going through the right channels to protect your account. Now it's time to enter your credentials. Start with your email address. Type it in carefully to avoid any access issues, then click Next. Next, enter your current password. If you've forgotten it, don't worry. Ionos has procedures to help you reset it. After entering your password, click Next. This confirms your identity to Ionos. Once you're authenticated, go to your account dashboard by clicking on My Account. This area gives you an overview of your Ionos services and account settings. Inside the dashboard, locate and click on Login and Account Security. This section handles your security settings, including your password and two-factor authentication. Now find and click on Change Password. This is the key step you're here for. Type in your new password. Be sure to choose a strong, unique password that you haven't used elsewhere. Combining letters, numbers, and special characters makes your password much stronger. Finally, click Change Password. This finalizes the change, and just like that, your Ionos password has been successfully updated. Before we wrap up, here are a couple of handy tips. Always keep your login details confidential to prevent unauthorized access. Periodically updating your password is a good practice to keep your account secure. And if you run into any challenges during this process, Ionos has a helpful customer service team ready to assist you. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to change your password on Ionos, keeping your account secure and accessible only to you. It's a straightforward process that makes a big difference in protecting your digital presence. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.